We've talked about it and it appears in many of our recipes. Aloe vera is a common plant at home because it is easy to take care of even if you live in it flat. If you want to learn how to grow aloe, watch the suggested video. Aloe is famous for its sedative and healing, anesthetic, anti-heat, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also good for your skin and hair, and is amazing for men, too. Did you know this? Check out these 5 benefits offered by Aloe Men. Improves physical resistance. Physical resistance is important for good performance. If you need to improve your physical activities and get more energy, try drinking aloe vera juice. Natural vasodilator. Did you know that aloe vera can help you sexuality? Aloe vera is able to regulate the blood circulation system, improves the amount of blood directed to the male organ. Improves cardiovascular health. Taking an aloe-based supplement will help your heart works properly and will also help your body eliminate cholesterol. Natural lubrication. Many couples need to use lubricant. Aloe vera is great for this. The gel extracted from the plant is completely natural, which will avoid any possible reactions and make better intercourse. Improves gastrointestinal health. Men usually have more digestive problems than women. Thanks to fatty acids, aloe vera can help you reduce bloating and irritation in your life, the stomach, small intestine, and colon. Along with all these things, aloe also helps with hair loss and hair growth, which is good to relieve muscle pain. The plant can be used in many different ways, such as gel, juice, powder, etc. The correct way to use aloe depends on my topic. The gel is extracted from aloe leaves and used to treat skin problems, such as acne and burns. Aloe juice is used for digestive problems or for weight loss. There are many different ways to enjoy everything the benefits of aloe. One of the ways of consuming aloe is through aloe juice. Do you want to learn how to make it? Plug type. To make aloe juice at home, cut the sides some leaves. Wash them and remove the right yellow part under the skin, which can irritate your stomach. Place the gel in a blender, after the proportions of 100 grams 1/2 cup of pulp to 1 liter of water 4 cups, and mix. If you wish, add a tablespoon of honey or citrus fruit, such as lemon or orange, to the best taste. Keep in mind that you should only consume 20 milliliters of this juice 2 or 3 times per day. Due to Aloe, excessive consumption of aloe vera can cause nausea and abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Aloe juice should not be consumed by pregnant women, the elderly and people taking medications for blood pressure and heart.